Guys, welcome back to another video here. I'm just trying to connect it on this document and THN. Yeah, we are back to another series here. We are doing corridor. So that's one of the new machine which has been added up here in the TryHackMe. So let me just connect it. It should be connecting now. So I was in a hurry, so I didn't check it before that. Sorry about it. Yeah, so there's a new rooms out here in the dashboard section. You can check it out. So that is called corridor. So that has been released by John Hammett. You guys a lot of know that John Hammett is a YouTube creator and content creator. I'm a big fan of that guy. Yeah, there's only one task here in this machine. We're going to start by can you escape the corridor? That's how the corridor machine works. A lot of people has been pawned this machine, so we just need to get the flag. So it has to be out somewhere else. We'll find it out and just put it back to the surface. That's all. There's a scoreboard, discussion, write-ups. There's no write-ups right now. And move. Yeah, you can see that created by TryHackMe, John Ahmed, and Cinematic. And who's that guy? Yeah, Tim Tyler. So the point is, we just need to start the machine and start getting out on this thing. So let me just start the machine here. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. Yeah, let's go. It will show up in 54 seconds. Let's just go back to the escape the corridor. What's the first task here? So you have found yourself in a strange corridor. Can you find your way back to where you came? So in this challenge, you will explore potential IDR vulnerabilities, examine the URL endpoints you access as you navigate the website, and note that the hexadecimal values you find, they look an awful look like a hash. Okay, hashed don't they? Yeah, that's what. For that reason, I have already opened the crack station and MD5 hash. So you can check out the hint also. Where do those takes? The number you letter seems to unfollow them. Yes, that's not the kind of help which I needed. This could help you uncover the website location you are not expected to access. So the flag, what is the flag? That's the only thing which you have. Okay, there we go. We got our IP there. So just need to copy the IP. Let me just check with that. Yeah. So while we're checking up the IP, I believe I can ping it out. Machine is pinging back. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Alright, come back to the point that it's not been opening through the web browser. Yeah, guys. Yeah, what you need to do here is you need to add that file, add that IP into the local host. So with the name of corridor or something. I did that machine last time from other application, yeah, but it didn't go well properly. So I'm just doing it once again back in the video right now. So it's not there in the local, I believe. No, it's applications. Yeah, go to the other locations, I believe. Yeah, that might go well easily in the computer. etc, that was, I think, where is that etc? Yeah, let's just contact that. Let me open that in terminal and sudo nothing is there. I can't find that. Let me show you the host file, cat host. Okay, there's another corridor IP address you can see there. So I need to change that IP to new IP here which has been added. So put the password. Yep. Okay, the corridor which has been added already, I need to change that IP to the new IP which has been given by the TryHackMe right now. Yeah, the new IP has been added. Column, saved it, exit. That's all the thing which you want. Sorry, exit. Okay, I'm gonna close that up. Now if I refresh, it will show up. So okay, the website looks clean and clear, inspect, nothing I can find, I believe, because there's nothing out there, only script and image folder. So the hash, somewhere has to be the hash, is there, right? So hash, okay, if I hover onto that one, yeah, if I click it, it's opening a room here. Okay, go back there. Bad. Okay, there's a hash over there. Okay, it looks like a hash only because every time if I collect, the hash has been different. Okay, if I try to crack that hash, yeah, crack it. No, there's nothing came back. If I change the something, yeah, I can generate the hash here. So it is just has to be MD5 hash. If you have been with the hash, like you've been working on the hash things, you might get to know that. So the hash look exactly the same and the results you're getting here. So if I click another door, let's just go back here, and if I click another door and just take that hash, put it back to the crack station. If I crack it, I'm not a robot, buddy, I'm not a robot. Where there you see that we got our number, and that's how it is. So it's just like the every hash has been connected to every number, right? So let me open how many hashes are there. So if I change the hash also, and if I put the hash, and like if you try to manipulate the URL, you might get a flag, but I think that should go well and the flag should come up. But I need to find out how many hashes are there here and which are related to what numbers. And so what are the other missing numbers are there that could might lead us to the lead us to the flag. So if I check this one, this is something like 4 or something. Okay, it's like this machine is totally easy for us, and if you have been into TryHackMe recently, so just like how many numbers are there? If I check this out, this looks like something else. Let me go back to gedit here. If I take that hash and put that whatever 9, that was 9, right? Yeah. So we got the 9 number first, and we got this number also. Take 7, and we got the other number. So not this one. Where is this one? It's 4. Yeah. We got 9, 7, and 4. So we need to find others also, like other how many we got 3, and then this one is 2. Okay, we got the one also, and if we check other one, this one is 1. Yep, exactly, that one has to be added. 1 2 3 4 7 9. So those are the numbers I got, and I need to find how many numbers are other available on this 1 2 3 4, and that one looks like 5. Yeah, that is 5. There's a hash. If you hover to that, you can see that there's a hash. So let me take that hash. It should be 5. Sorry about that. It should be 5. If I crack it, it is 5. Yeah, I'm taking that as a 5. Another one, 6. Yeah, we got 6 over there. I think that goes the number like, yeah, that goes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 or something like that. So it should be like unilateral or bilateral. That's how it is. So other than a different way are possible. So this one is having a number here. If we take back to this one, if we check it, I think that should be okay. It's 13. Nice. So it's just like look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's coming back to the front side and going back from 9, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's at the end of the door. It's 13. I believe it should be 12. Like oh, sorry. Okay, we got 12 and might be 11 is also there. I just have to check it out every door so that I'm not missing anything here, because if who knows, might be the one of the doors should has to have a flag or something else, or other hidden flag. So that is 11 we got. If we go back and take another one, this should be 10 or something else. So this every door is being connected with the number, and that number has been changed back to the hash, and there has been added the. So let me collect all of those numbers and then we'll go back to the main point. They should be. I'll just check it out. You have to crack every single one so to get your flag. So he's asking that I'm not a robot, man. I'm not a robot here. Okay. That we got over 9. No. Yeah, that is same. So we just check that 9 numbers twice. That's all I believe, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8. Yeah, 8 somewhere else is missing. 8 should has to be there, but I don't know. Let me just with the 8. Copy that and paste it here and just enter. So okay, this is also one of the room. I can add it back. Okay, add it. 8 numbers has also been added. So I just added 9 twice. I need to delete that one first. Yeah, 2. That is 26. 26 are the same. Okay. Let me delete that. Clean and clear. So now we think about it. How many numbers are missing or how many numbers we can generate? Or just like 14 if I try. Let me just try that in somewhere else. 14. Okay. We're getting a not found page. So I'll just add up that. Okay, that's like 14 is not been available. So I just need to remember that on page that if I'm not missing it or somewhere else. Again, if I try to put the 14 one, it should not been appear. So 14 has not been found. And I can check that to 15 also or something. 15, yeah. Okay. 15. If we put that on corridor with the section and put an enter, not found. Yeah, same answer with the 14. 14 also not found, 15 also not found. So it's just like it's not going higher, it might be going lower, or like I just need to check with the negative numbers also. Might be, who knows, because the positive numbers are there and negative should also be has to there. So -1 should work. I don't know. Let's just check with the -1. So minus no, -1 is also not found. So it's like negative is also not working. So from 1 it has been started. So just like after you enter the room, you find a 9 or 14 doors. So just like 14 numbers you have been connected, right? So there you can see like 1 to 9. So like 40 numbers is there. But what about the door which you has entered into this room? So there's a room here. So if you connect to this room, there has to be a door. At the end of the day, at the end of the corridor is another door. And before that, there has to be another door. That number should be 0 or something. I don't know. But also 0 has to be checked with that one. So it's like 13 here, okay. 13 doors are there. And to enter this one, another 0 number. So I just need to check with 0 right now. Yeah. Because every other numbers linked to that one. Right. 0. Okay, there we got the hash. Let me just check it once again, that if I'm not missing, /hash. Okay, before entering, let me just go to the crack station. Let me check if that brings us to 0 or something. If crack it, I'm just making sure from the both side that should work. Okay, it's 0. We got it. If we enter that, okay, there is our flag. There is our flag. We gotta copy that. TryHackMe, put it the flag, and just submit it. So that's the easy one we got here. Oh, that is totally easy, guys. Congratulations that you have completed the sure one. Okay, that's all, guys. That's all in this video. We have completed the corridor room, and we'll do the another shift next time. Thank you for watching us. Thank you.